Hi everybody, Mr. Klein here, and I'm going to show you how to use your calculator in order to analyze statistics. Let's get right to it. First thing you need to do is hit the Stat button right there. That's where everything you need is going to be. When you get to the Stat button, you'll see an Edit window, and you want to choose number 1, Edit. And then here you'll see spaces for lists, and what I want you to do is put the data from your assignment, dataset 1 into L1 and dataset 2 into L2. Pause the video and go ahead and do that right now. Now that you've got that done, the first thing that you need to know how to do is to sort the data. Let me show you how to do so. I'm going to quit out of here. You go back to Stat, and you'll see that there's a button that says Sort A. That stands for Sort Ascending. So I'm going to select Sort Ascending. And I want to sort the data in list 1. So I'm going to hit the second button, and then I'm going to come down to the lower left-hand corner, and I'm going to hit L1. And when you do that, the calculator is just going to tell you that it's done. If you want to see your work, you're going to hit Stat, go back to Edit, and you'll notice that now all of the data in list 1 is sorted from least to greatest. Let's go ahead and do the same thing for list 2. So go to Edit, choose Sort Ascending, second L2, done. Now our data is in order. Now the biggest thing you're going to do using the calculator is find the one variable statistics, which is going to give you all your summary stats. So you hit Stat, you move over to where it says Calculate, and then you select number 1, var stats. The calculator will prompt you with the list. You're going to choose L1. It'll prompt you with freq list. You can ignore that, and then you're going to hit Calculate. If your calculator doesn't have a menu that looks like this, if it just says var stats on your screen, then all you're going to do is enter second list 1 and then hit Calculate. And you're going to get a whole slew of values here. I'm going to tell you what they are in order. The one at the very top, the one with the X with the bar over it, that represents the mean of the distribution. So the average score for a golfer was 71.375. The second number, the 1142, that represents the sum of all of the values. So if you added up all the strokes of all the golfers, you would get 1,142. The third number, that big one, the 81,608, don't worry about that. We'll never use that. The number after that, where it says SX, that represents the standard deviation, 2.44. The number after that, the sigma, that's also a standard deviation, but don't use that one, it's poison. The one after that, N, represents the number of values. And then the last 5 numbers here, min Q1, median Q3, and max, are our 5-number summary. Okay? If you would